Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you for tuning in and thank you for always sharing my video. God bless you. I appreciate. And to my new subscriber, thank you for joining. God bless you. So today I'm making turkey palm oil stew. So the first thing I did was to wash my turkey. I washed that nicely and place it in my empty pot. Then I went in with my spices, seasoning, onion, some water. Then I stirred that together and then cover that to cook for few minutes. It's as easy as that, yeah. So while that has cooked, I will remove from the fire and then I will place an empty pot on the fire on the gas. So into the pot, I'll pour some palm oil and allow that to heat on medium heat. While that has heated a little, I'll go in with my chopped onion, stir fry that, and then add my tomato paste, add some curry, stir fry that as to get rid of the sour taste and so that the stew can taste very nice. So I'm going to stir fry that for a few minutes before adding my blended pepper mix. It's a combination of red bell pepper, fresh tomato, onion, and shrimps. So I will allow that to cook to dry, and while that has dried, I will go in with my turkey and the stock. So while that has gone to boil, I will add my seasoning and then stir that together. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. Look, you guys, this sauce, the stew is ready. So I will just remove and enjoy with white rice. You can enjoy this with white rice, enjoy it with yam, you can enjoy it with plantain, anyone you choose to do. So I'll be enjoying this sauce with the stew with white rice. It's so yummy, trust me guys. It was so delicious. So let me know if you're going to be trying this on the comment section. Please, anytime you come across my video, help me share. There is love in sharing. Thank you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.